In good news for the 250 championship, Hunter Lawrence has been cleared to race this weekend at Southwick after this crash right here at Moto 2 of Redbud. So he rode really well the first race, got the win, looked like it was going to be a good weekend. And then first corner, big pileup, sort of injury, whatever you want to call it. And he did end up saying, quote, executed perfect for our first moto, whole shot, and rode good laps well within my limits. The second moto was a bit of chaos after the start. I'm not exactly sure where it went wrong. I didn't whole shot, so I guess that's where it started. That's a pretty good one right there. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is, part of the sport. I'm thankful it's nothing major. We'll buffer out and should be good to go. Obviously, it's a good thing for the championship to see not somebody lose it because of an injury or whatever. And for the just straight up competitive side of the thing, to see him and Deegan, RJ Hampshire, Vial, whoever else is going to make a push for this. But comments below. Southwick is coming up this weekend. You tell me. Who wins? Is it Hunter? Is it Deegan? Or is it somebody else maybe gets an overall this weekend? But comment down below. Let me hear what you have to think. As you're down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.